Hello, you're joining us here at the Global Reputation Forum. Me, Andrew Ebon, with a 3 times Grammy Award winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And congratulations on yet another award. What does this mean to you?
This is incredibly special because I've won awards for my music, but I've just quietly been working on philanthropy and spreading the good energy, and to be recognized for that part of my life is just a beautiful, very special moment to me.
And talk about beautiful, special moments. We were delighted during dinner tonight. You actually played for us. Tell us about the piece you played.
It's a piece that I wrote for Nelson Mandela, trying to paint his life with the colors of the flute. So it's a biographical piece, and it starts with a peaceful flute, and then when Nelson Mandela's life takes a turn for the very hectic part, I do some beatboxing on the flute.
Amazing. I haven't heard that before.
We call it flute boxing.
Okay.
And all the extended techniques, so that it paints a very, very multi-dimensional picture of Madiba's life.
Fantastic. And music is the great power of love, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I always say when the love of power is surpassed by the power of love,
Yeah.
that's when we get peace.
Exactly. You know, music connects. And even if people don't understand your language or your context, they'll get your music, and that's a first step to, in a very divided world, that's a first step to make us connect in a better way and understand and be more tolerant.
Fantastic. Great opportunity to meet lots of different people today. Great connections being formed.
Yeah.
What has been your biggest takeaway?
It's been so inspiring to see what everybody else is doing. So it inspires me to do more and to also work with the people that I've met. I'm sure there's some beautiful collaborations that I can imagine in my mind already that will be taking effect. So that I'm inspired to.
Absolutely. And as I said, it's going to be the catalyst for those ongoing conversations.
Exactly.
Congratulations.